earth, or what a 57 Chevy's worth. I don't know why the world is round, why up is up and down is down. I don't know a lot of trivial things, like who invented the washing machine. I don't know my way to Timbuktu, but I know I love you. I know it's hard to teach an old dog new tricks. I know having money doesn't mean you're rich, and I know a good night's sleep makes you feel brand new. And I know I love you. I don't know why sometimes the good die young. I don't really know anyone who knows the answers to things like that. Don't know when Jesus is coming back. I don't know why I've been so blessed, or what the world's gonna hand me next. And without you I don't know what I'd do, 'cause I know I love you. There's a few little things I know, like old folks drive way too slow, and I know with some luck someday we'll move that slow too. And I know I love you. And I know fiddles make pretty music, yes they do. Just like a good old song, what we've got rings true. And I know